ABC Action News is committed to helping the Bay Area rebound from this pandemic. For months now, we've profiled how businesses are adapting to survive. New tonight, there's an art studio in Pasco County attempting to rebound this holiday season through a cornucopia of workshops. The studio only opened a few months before the pandemic shut it down. ABC Action News reporter Robert Boyd shows us how they're hoping the spirit of the season pulls them through.
Well, today they're making fall wreaths at Jersey Girl Art Studio. It's one of the first workshops being offered since they reopened. They say it's going to be slow and steady getting their business back on track. It's amazing the impact a squirt of glue, a little glitter, and some plastic leaves can make on a group of seniors.
Well, we've all felt so isolated, and it's been so hard. I mean, talking to your friends on the phone isn't the same. So this is a great outlet.
Rosemarie Scordamaglia opened Jersey Girl Art Studio in Holiday last November. She thought her biggest challenge would be stocking supplies, not overcoming a pandemic.
It was very hard to have to close down and cancel classes, refund money, because we still had to pay our rent. They laid out all their wreaths the way they wanted them ahead of time.
2020 was supposed to be the year she passes the baton, or in this case, paintbrush, over to her 18-year-old daughter, Erin.
Erin, I knew, was really artistic. This has always been a hobby for me, and I found a way to make it a business that I can pass on to her.
After months of being closed, they are now relying heavily on the holiday craft season, from wreaths to cards to ornaments, to keep this family business snipping away to success.
Right now, we're kind of flying by the seat of our pants. We're making just enough to keep afloat. We only have volunteers working. None of us are getting paid.
But in this studio, the art of positivity continues to shine bright.
What if I always told you? You move forward, right? Doesn't really matter. And it's all going to eventually work itself out.
In Holiday, Robert Boyd, ABC Action News.